Spiderman. What do you think truck will he become? Look! Batman truck, a sleek and black armored vehicle prowling Gotham's streets. Superman reminds me of plasticine, which makes all the transformations cool. Iron Man truck, a high-tech and red and gold behemoth blazing through the skies. Well, here is Wolverine, which with the help of magic became truck. Captain America truck, a patriotic and star-spangled rig leading the charge with honor. Marvel and DC have a lot of different characters. Next up, Hulk. See how he turned out as truck. Thor truck, a mighty and lightning-infused transport wielding the power of Asgard. Flash turned into truck, an interesting image that many superhero fans will enjoy. Deadpool truck, a flashy and merc-with-a-mouth rig cruising with irreverent humor. Black Widow got even better in truck. No comments. Green Lantern truck, an emerald-hued and cosmic-powered truck zooming through space. Do you think Doctor Strange would like to become truck? I'm sure it would. Wonder Woman truck, an Amazonian-inspired and warrior-themed rig fighting for justice. Black Panther transformed into truck, but he still has his powers and superpowers. Nick Fury truck, a covert and heavily equipped vehicle operating from the shadows. An unusual transformation. I never thought Silver Surfer would be so similar to truck. Hawkeye truck, a precision-driven and arrow-loaded rig hitting bullseyes with accuracy. Our next character is Captain Marvel. Do you think this truck turned out cool? I hope so. AquaMan truck, an oceanic-themed and trident-adorned truck ruling the depths with authority. Bucky Barnes turned into truck, the real truck. Ant-Man truck, a miniaturized and insect-inspired rig shrinking into action with style. We are in the middle of our list of heroes. Who's next? I didn't expect Falcon to become so interesting truck. Groot truck, a tree-like and resilient transport uttering "I am Groot" as it cruises. Who's next? That's right, Thanos. What did he become? Truck! Loki truck, a mischievous and shape-shifting rig causing chaos with cunning tricks. Meet! This is Rocket Raccoon. He has become powerful in the character of truck. Star-Lord truck, a retro and spacefaring vehicle rocking out to an awesome mixtape. And here's another superhero, Gamora, who turned into a truck. Who's next on the list? Green Goblin truck, a goblin-inspired and pumpkin-bombing rig terrorizing the streets. Look, Vision, we made a new image out of him. Truck came out great. Goro Truck, a four-armed and imposing transport striking fear with unmatched strength. If I hadn't seen the picture Harley Quinn on the left, I wouldn't have believed my eyes. Thing Truck, a rock-skinned and powerhouse rig smashing through obstacles with might. Well, here is Sub-Zero, which with the help of magic became Truck. Scorpion Truck, a venomous and tail-stinging vehicle striking with deadly precision. Magneto turned into Truck. I love doing this. Ultron Truck, a robotic and AI-driven rig bent on eradicating humanity with relentless force. The best Truck plus Red Skull of my life. Watching the next character? Yoda Truck, a wise and force-sensitive transport imparting wisdom on its journey. Darth Vader turned into Truck. How I love turning superheroes into such vivid characters. Daredevil Truck, a blind and acrobatic rig navigating the streets with heightened senses. Wow, didn't see that coming, did you? And this Electra became Truck. Blade Truck, a vampire hunting and sword-wielding vehicle slicing through the night. Do you see this? Out came the really cool Black Bolt Plus Truck. Quicksilver Truck, a lightning-fast and speedster-inspired rig zooming past in a blur. If you like my videos, write in the comments who you'd like to turn superheroes into, and I'll try to do it.